depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Madalas na iniisip nyo is, may chance ba na bumalik ang ex ko or wala na? So meron kang dalawang ways na pwedeng puntahan, dalawang path na pwede mong tahakin. It's either to wait to get your ex back or just to move on and forget your ex. Dalawa lang yan eh. And because of that, nagkakaroon ka ng matinding confusion dyan sa bagay na yan. Kaya hindi ka makausad. Because you are waiting or you are just trying to move on but deep inside you're still waiting. What a bullshit mind, right? Anyways, simple lang, sisimplihan ko lang siya, no? Ito yung pinaka-i-discuss natin ngayon dahil our emotions deceiving us a lot of times. But of course, if you are asking if there's still a chance between you and your ex or anything na post ng ex mo sa Facebook or social media, anything like that, let me interpret it, okay? Just give us a message sa aming page sa Philippine Dating Coach so we can have one-on-one coaching. Anyways, let's go dito sa pinaka-topic natin. Paano ba mauuhaw ang ex mo kapag ginawa mo itong bagay na to? First thing, you need to understand that there are two ways. At walang third way, walang fourth, walang fifth. It's just two. It's either you are going to wait until your ex will come back or you will just move on kasi that's what, yun yung pinakailangan mong gawin eh. So ngayon, because of your confusion, that obsession of getting your ex back is no different than suffering. Uulitin ko. Your obsession of getting your ex back is no different than suffering. It's the same suffering. Kapag yung ex mo nag-cheat siya, it's the same suffering. Kapag obsessed ka na gusto mo siyang bumalik, it's equivalent of suffering. Para mong sinasaktan din yung sarili mo every time na iniisip mo na magbalikan kayo. Why? Because we don't even know. Walang may alam sa future yung dalawa. Hindi natin hinahawakan yung will ng isang tao. And that's what you need to understand. Hindi mo hawak ang will niya at hindi niya hawak ang will mo. Pareho kayong hindi naghahawakan ng kalooban. Maaaring yung kalooban niya wala na sa'yo. Pero yung kalooban mo, nasa kanya pa rin. And what's wrong? What's wrong is you are trying to chase her or trying to chase his will. Hinahabol mo yung will na yon na mabalik sa'yo at mabigay sa'yo para bigyan ka pa ulit ng love, bigyan ka ulit ng care, like never before, parang ganon. But if your mindset is the obsession of getting your ex back, then the suffering will continue. Why? Dahil even today, I will tell you the truth, kahit ngayong araw mismo na to, yung ex mo pwedeng bumalik. Pwede mag-chat sa'yo out of nowhere. Pwede kang i-PM. Or pwede siyang makipagbalikan. Kahit ngayong video na to, pwede siyang mag-chat. Why not, right? But the question is, magiging okay ka ba kung babalik yung ex mo yon? Your thought is yes, magiging okay ako. But no, you're not. Why? Because you are in the state of obsession. Na kahit bumalik na yung ex mo, yung anxiety mo about obsessing her or him na bumalik sa'yo still exists. Hindi yan mawawala kahit bumalik yung ex mo ngayon. You will still come back as a loser, as a needy, as a romantic, hopeless person. So dun ka lang mag-e-end up. Kaya kahit bumalik yung ex mo ngayon mismo, hindi niya mareresolve ang problem mo. Dahil paano kung aalis ulit ang ex mo after a week or after a month ng balikan nyo, lalo na hiniwalayan ka lang naman niya. Lalo na kung siya yung humiwalay sa'yo. Paano kung meron ka pa ulit nakaka-turn off na ginawa at na-turn off ulit siya? Eh di babalik ka ngayon sa state of obsession na yan. Na ma-obsess ka na gusto mo bumalik ulit siya. And this is an infinite cycle. Infinite cycle, I mean, kung nagiging cure mo is getting your ex back, then yung suffering mo will become so longer. And the worst thing is, maybe it will never end kung lagi kayo nagbabalikan. So it must be good na maintindihan mo na kahit anong balik ng ex mo, if you are not that clean enough, then there's no such changes na mangyayari. Hindi, ganito bibigyan kita ng illustration. Okay, wala matutulog malupit ang illustration na to. Example, merong isang bote na ang laman niya is wine. Pero yung bote na yon, marumi yung bote na yon. At marumi dun yung wine na yon. So ngayon, tinapon ko yung wine at nilagyan ko ng bagong wine. Yung maruming bote. Alam mo ba na kahit anong lagay mo ng wine sa maruming bote, yung wine magiging madumi pa rin. It will never ever change. Kung mapalitan man ang laman ng bote ng wine na malinis, hanggat marumi ang bote, hindi pa rin magiging malinis ang wine. So ano ba ang ibig ko sabihin na hindi magiging malinis ang wine? So from that illustration, it's you. Kahit ang ex mo, bumalik-balik siya sa buhay mo, pero kung yung laman ng kokote mo, puro ganyan, puro anxiety, puro obsession, it doesn't make a change. Wala magbabago. Kahit bumalik pa ex mo, kahit mapalitan pa yan ng bago, o kahit sino man ang dumating sa'yo, hindi pa rin magiging masaya ang life mo. Why? Because you are obsessing. Na-obsess ka kasi sa validation ng isang tao. And that's the worst part of it. Now, let's take the path of moving on. Kapag ba tinake mo yung path ng pag-move on, ibig sabihin ba nun hindi na babalik yung ex mo? Ganun ba yun? Pag nag-move on ka, hindi na siya babalik? Actually, that's not true. And the truth is, this is quite the opposite. Ito yung kabaligtaran ng iniisip mo na hindi mo naintindihan. Once kasi na nag-start ka na mag-move on, then the attraction will come back. Believe me. Everything about the attraction will come back. You will reincarnate your own self into something new. Magkakaroon ka ng recreation sa sarili mo. Rewire. Refreshment. Then, that will be the time na you can convince yourself and you can get your confidence back. Yun naman yung pinaka-binabalik natin Once na nagbalik na yung confidence mo, it's equivalent ng attraction. Always remember that. Confidence and attraction are equivalent. Equivalent lang yan. At once na na-rebuild mo yung confidence mo at yung attraction mo, dahil nga sabi ko, equivalent lang yan, and that would be the time that your ex, makukuha mo yung attention niya. You will get your ex's attention. And why? Bakit mo makukuha yung attention niya? Because you come back You came back from the dead, di ba? Bumalik ka sa pagkamatay mo ng attraction. Because the reason is because you move forward. Dahil nag-move on ka. Dahil nag-isip ka na mahalin ang sarili mo at piliin ang sarili mo. And because of that, nag-start ka dun sa tinatawag nating rebuilding yourself. At dahil dun sa na-rebuild mo yung sarili mo, nabalik mo yung confidence mo, nabalik mo yung attraction mo, then that would be the time na yung interest ng ex mo sa'yo, magbabalik. Magbabalik ang interest niya. Believe it or not, it will come back. Okay? So, that's for today. I want to talk to you. Thanks for watching.